past 9 years good papers we are going to solve. Neet 2013 to Neet 2021 we are going to solve here. So if you observe here now, in this question what this is, the molar specific heat at constant pressure and constant volume is denoted by gamma equal to what they are telling, Cp by Cv. Then Cv in terms of, first option they given as gamma r, second option they given as 1 plus gamma by 1 minus gamma, third option given like r by gamma minus 1, fourth option they given like gamma minus 1 by r. See how can we solve this? So they given in the question gamma equal to what they given, Cp by Cv they given. So let me change the pen color for answer. Gamma equal to Cp by Cv they given here. So what we can write here, from here Cp can be written as what here, gamma times the Cv. If I switch Cv here, you know that Mayer's formula Cp minus Cv equal to R. I am going to take this value, I am going to substitute in this equation. So gamma Cv minus Cv equal to R will get it here. So from this equation I can take Cv common. Cv if I take common now, 1 minus gamma equal to R will get it here. Therefore Cv equal to what will get it here, R by gamma minus 1 will get it, sorry. So R by gamma minus 1 will get it. So this is the answer for this question. So which option is matching means option C is exactly matching with this question. So let me go to next question. Next question says the amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of helium. 1 gram of helium is monatomic, at normal temperature from T1 Kelvin to T2 Kelvin is, when they asked this question in 2019 they asked, options they given like this, 3 by 4 Na kBT, so and so 3 by 8, 3 by 2 and 3 by 4 they given. So we know that total energy, we know that delta U equal to NF Na kBT divided by 2 we know. So first we need to calculate number of moles here. Number of moles is nothing but given mass by molecular weight. So for helium molecular weight is 2, 4, we can write it 4. So given mass in the question number they given 1 grams they given here. So 1 grams divided by 4 grams. This fellow will get cancelled. N equal to 1 by 4. Number of moles we got like 1 by 4 we got it here. Now we have to substitute these all values. For helium is nothing but monoatomic, na? So number of degrees of freedom is how much? 3 will get it here. So we are going to substitute that delta U equal to N value is 1 by 4, F value is 3, Na Kb into delta T. Delta T is can be written as T2 minus T1 divided by 2. So 2 4s are 8 now. Therefore delta U can be written as 3 Na Kb T2 minus T1 divided by 2 4s are 8. So 8 will get it. So which option is matching means for this question option B is matching exactly, you can observe here. Option B is matching, which we can observe here. Let me go to next question. Let me change the slide. In next question what they are asking here, in a vessel the gas is at pressure P if the mass of all the molecules are halved and their speeds is doubled, then the resultant pressure will be. So this is K Neet. K Neet means Karnataka Neet they given. Option like 2P, P by 2 and 4P they given here. So in this question what we have to observe is just collect the data. Pressure of first case I am considering P, mass first case I am taking as M, velocity first case I am taking as speed I am taking as V. In second case what we need to calculate, P2 we need to calculate, pressure we need to calculate, mass becoming halved it seems. Mass becoming halved means M by 2 we got it here, and velocity or speed becoming doubled, 2 we are getting here. So you know that pressure equal to 1 by 3 rho into Vrms square, which we derived in our previous lectures. You can go and check this in lecture number 2. So from this we can write that pressure directly proportional to density, we can write like mass by volume into velocity square. Here volume also not required for me, therefore pressure is directly proportional to mass into velocity square, we can write it here. So what we need to calculate P2 now, Therefore P2 by P1 can be written as M2 by M1 into V2 by V1 whole square. We can write it here. Therefore P2 by P1 can be written as M2 value how much they given in the question? M by 2, and M value how much they given? M into V2 value how much they given? 2V. Initial value how much we taken? V whole square. We got it. This fellow will get cancelled, this fellow will get cancelled. Therefore P2 by P1 equal to 2 square is how much? 4. 4 by 2 we got it. This fellow cancel 2 times. Therefore P2 equal to twice the pressure of P1. P1 is nothing but how much? P. We got it. So what we got it answer here? 2P we got it. So which of the following option is correct means option A is correct for this question. Let me go to next slide. In this question what they are asking means the mean free path of molecule of a gas is inversely proportional to Neet 2014 they given. Option A R cube, option B R square, option C R, option D root R. So basically mean free path what we are having here, mean free path equal to 1 by root 2 pi into nd square. Means what we can tell here, mean free path is inversely proportional to diameter square. So diameter can be written as 2 times the radius. No, it's inversely proportional to r square. So which of the following option is correct means, so option B can be correct for this question. In next question what they are asking, the ratio of specific heats gamma equal to Cp by Cv in terms of degrees of freedom is given by they are asking. So this is also Neet 2015 question. So what they are asking here, gamma value we need to tell in terms of degrees of freedom it seems. So we know that gamma equal to F plus 2 by F we know. So this can be written as what here, F plus F by F plus 2 by F. F will get cancelled. Therefore gamma equal to 1 plus 2 by F, which will get it here. So which of the following option is correct for this question means option A is correct for this question, which we can tell here. Next we go to the next question here. In this question they are asking, two vessels separately contains two ideal gases A and B at the same temperature. The pressure of A being twice that of B. Under such conditions, the density of A found to be 1.5 times the density of B. The ratio of molecular weight of A and B. Neet 2015 they asked. Option A 2, option B 1 by 2, option C 2 by 3, option D 3 by 4 they given here. So let me solve this. So how many liquids they given here? Two liquids they given. So observe the data carefully. A and B they given, and temperature of A if equal to T means temperature of B also should be equal to T, because both are equal they told here. And pressure of A is twice that of pressure of B they told, means pressure of B if I take like P, pressure of A can be taken as P. And density of B if I take now rho, they told density of A can be taken as 1.5 times the density of B. That's nothing but 1.5 means 3 by 2 rho I am writing here. We know that P by rho equal to what we know here, KBT by small m we know here. Means what we can write here, small m inversely proportional to what we can write here, rho by P we can write it here. From this relation just reciprocate and remove the constant, temperature and masses are constant, remove temperature and K, both one constant is constant, now remove them. So m is inversely proportional to rho by P. So what we can write it here means MA by MV we need to write it. MA by MB is equal to rho A by PA into PB by rho B. So that equal to rho A value is how much? 3 by 2 times 0. PA value is how much? 2P into rho B value is how much? Rho divided by rho A, PB value P, sorry, and rho B value how much? Rho. Rho will get cancelled, PP will get cancelled. So what will get it here? 3 by 2 will get it. So 3 by 2 is the answer for this question. Sorry, 3 by 2, here 2 is there, no? What will get it here? 3 by 4 will get come here answer here. So which of the option is given means this option D will be correct for this question here. 2015 question. What are they asking? Check here. In the given volume versus temperature diagram, what is the relation between pressure 1 and pressure 2? So P2 less than P1, B can't be predicted. P2 equal to P1, P2 greater than P1. So option they given like volume versus T, and that is graphs are passing from origin. Means according to question we can tell that volume is directly proportional to temperature. We know that PV equal to nRT, you know here. So V equal to what we can write here? nR by P times the T. From here we can write V is directly proportional to what we can write it T. So this proportionality constant, what we get it means here? Slope will get it. Slope of the PV graph. Slope equal to what we get it here? nR by P. Means tan theta inversely proportional to what we can tell here from here. Slope is nothing but tan theta, pressure. Whenever theta is small, no? So theta inversely proportional to what we can tell here? Pressure. From diagram it's very clear. Theta 2 is greater than theta 1. When theta 2 is greater than theta 1, P1 will be less than P2. Why? Because theta and pressure are inversely proportional. So which of the following option is correct means option 1 is correct for this question. In this question what they are asking means the molecules of a given mass of a gas have VRMS equal to 200 meters per second. If at temperature is about 27 degrees. When temperature rises to 127 degrees Celsius, then VRMS, mass is keeping constant. They are just changing this temperature from 27 degrees Celsius to 127 degrees Celsius. Option A they given 100 by root 2, option B they given 100 by 3, option C 100 by 100 root 2, option D they given like 400 by root 3 they given here. So first two temperatures they given in Kelvin system, we need to convert into absolute system. So what we can consider here means temperature of 1 is how much here? Temperature of 1, if I want to keep in Celsius to Kelvin, no, 27 plus 273 Kelvin, that should be equal to how much will get it? 300 Kelvin, which will get it here. Temperature of 2 can be written as what? 127 the given, 127 plus 273 Kelvin. So temperature of 2 will get like 400 Kelvin, which we got it here. So this is how we need to convert the temperature, which we learned this thing in mechanical properties. And now what we are going to discuss here, we are going to discuss about what they told in the question. Mass also they told constant, no? Therefore what we can write here, VRMS equal to under root 3 kT by m. K is Boltzmann constant, it is a constant. 3 also constant, m also constant. VRMS is directly proportional to what here? Root T, we can write it here. Therefore V2 by V1 can be written as under root T2 by T1, which we can write it here. Therefore V2 by V1 value is how much we are given in the question? They given in the question 200 meters per second. So 200 equal to T2 value how much we are having? 400 divided by T1 value how much we are having here? 300. So this 0 will get cancelled, and this 0 will get cancelled. Root 4 is how much? 2 by 3. V2 by 200 equal to what will get it? 2 by root 3. So if I switch that side now, V2 equal to 2 into 200 by root 3, which will get it here. Therefore 2 2 is 4 now. So 400 by root 3 will get it. Which value? V2 value. This is the answer for this question. So which of the following option is correct means option D is correct. Now let me go to next question. Next question is from Neet 16. What they are asking, a given sample of an ideal gas occupies volume V, pressure P and temperature T. The mass of the molecules of the gas in meter in mass gas is mass m. Okay. Which of the following given density of the gas? Neet 16 they asked here. Option A mkt, option B P by kT, option C Pm by kT, option D P by under root kTm. So we know that velocity equation we know for this thing. So velocity equation what we learned, VRMS we learned like this. VRMS equals to under root 3P by rho, that equal to what we learned? Under root 3 kT by small m we learned in our class. So on comparing these two we can write here P by rho equal to kT by small m we can write it. So if I reciprocate this, no, rho by P equal to m by kT. So from here what we can write it, rho equal to what we can write it here, m by mp by kT we can write it. So this is the answer for this question. So almost it's very easy level question. Which of the following option correct means option C is correct for this question. In next question what they are asking, check here. A gas mixture contains of 2 moles of O2, 2 moles of oxygen and 4 moles of argon at temperature T, then the total energy of the system is Neet 17. System is, question is from Neet 17, 15 RT, 9 RT, 11 RT, 4 RT. Energy is basically scalar, no? We can add simply total both energies. So total energy can be written as what for 10th question? So U can be written as what? NFRT, na, total energy, by 2 for oxygen plus NFRT by 2 for argon gas, which they given in the question. So U equal to number of moles for oxygen, number they given 2. Oxygen is diatomic molecule, number of degrees of freedom is nothing but 5 RT by 2, which will get it here. These two will get cancelled, plus number of moles for argon they given like 4 here. Therefore 4 F value is how much we are having? Monoatomic, no, argon 3 RT by 2. 2 1 jar 2 2 jar. So U equal to 5 RT plus 2 3 jar 6 RT. Therefore U equal to how much we'll get it here? We'll get like 11 RT. So for this again we got which option means? We got option C, and this is also easy level question which we can consider if you know basics. Let me get into next question. This question from multiple chapter question we can consider. At what temperature will the VRMS of O2 molecules becomes just sufficient for the escaping from the Earth's atmosphere? So options they given like 2.5 into 10 raised to 4, 5.0 into 10 raised to 4, 8.3 into 10 raised to minus 4, and 1.2. And mass of the oxygen they given in the question 2.7 into 10 raised to minus 26, which they given here. So first we have to know escape velocity is how much we need to check here. Escape velocity of the Earth, we know that V escape. We know that how much is that means 11,200. We know that meters per second, or 11.2 kilometers per second also we can write it here. So generally VRMS, how can we calculate? VRMS equals to under root 3 kT by small m. Small m value they given in the question, so simply we can substitute and we can calculate value here. So VRMS in the place we can substitute escape, now it's balancing with the escape. 1200 is equal to under root 3 Boltzmann constant. Boltzmann constant value we know that 1.4 into 10 raised to minus 23. So 1.4 into 10 raised to minus 23 into temperature T divided by mass they given like 2.76 into 10 raised to minus 26. So on squaring both sides and solving, you will get comes around a bit. Temperature will be equal to 8.36 into 10 raised to minus 4 Kelvin. You will get it. So which of the following option is correct means option B is correct for this question, which we can tell here. This is Neet 18 question, recent question which they given here, and this is also direct question, direct database we can substitute here. In this question they are asking the value of gamma equal to Cp by Cv for hydrogen, helium and another diatomic gas X, some other gas they given. So about that X they are describing here whose molecules are not rigid but have an additional vibrational modes. Vibrational modes they included are respectively. Okay, what we need to calculate gamma value. Gamma equal to what we know generally. Gamma equal to, I didn't change the slide, 1 second. Yes. So we know that gamma equal to what we know in terms of degrees of freedom, F plus 2 by F, you know. First thing what they are asking, hydrogen. Hydrogen is diatomic, na? Degrees of freedom is how much? 5. Therefore gamma equal to 5 plus 2 by 5. Gamma equal to what we get it? 7 by 5 we got it. Next what they given? Helium. For helium it is monoatomic, na? How many degrees of freedom? 3. 3 plus 2 by 3. So gamma equal to what we get it? 5 by 3 we get it. Next to X they given. X they told like diatomic. Diatomic generally how many degrees of freedom is having? 5 plus 1 vibrational mode they are asking here. 1 vibrational mode. Generally we studied that 1 vibrational mode having 2 degrees of freedom. One is for kinetic energy, one is for potential energy. So 1 vibrational mode is equal to 2 degrees of freedom. Therefore total degrees of freedom for this fellow how much we can rate it? 5 plus 2. Because of vibrational 2 you got it. Total 7 degrees of freedom. Therefore gamma value can be written as what here? F plus 2 by F, right? Therefore gamma equal to 7 plus 2 by 7. Therefore gamma equal to 7 plus 2 is nothing but 9. 9 by 7 we'll get it here. So gamma equal to 9 by 7 for X, and gamma equal to 5 by 3 for helium, and gamma equal to 7 by 5 for hydrogen. So which option is matching means option B is clearly matching with this question, with this answer. Let me get into next question. See, in the question number 13 they are asking the mean free path. They are asking Neet 2020 question. What are they asking here? The mean free path for a gas with molecular diameter d and number density n can be given as options. They given like this. So if you observe the options now, option A is direct for this question from NCERT. So which of the following option is correct? This option is correct. And this question again they asked in where? Neet 14 also they asked, which we observed. That's inversely proportional to r square, which we written here. Okay. Next in Neet, this question from Neet 2021. Neet 21. So in this question what they are asking, match the column 1 and column 2. VRMS one side they given, pressure, kinetic, average kinetic energy, total energy of 1 mole of a diatomic gas. Other case 1 by 3 nmv average square under root 3 RT by m under root 5 RT by m under root d equal to 3 by 2 kBT. We need to match 1, 2, 3, 4 with ABCD. So let me mention here solution 1, 2, 3, 4. We know that clearly for VRMS is how much? Under root 3 RT by m. Means for 1 B is matching. And average kinetic energy, in our first lecture we studied postulates of kinetic energy or law of equipartition energy. In both things I explained you. There is nothing but 3 by 2 times the kBT. So what will get it here? 3 will get like D. We got here. Next, if you observe here, no, total energy of 1 mole of diatomic gas. Diatomic gas having how many degrees of freedom? 5, na? So 1 by 2 RT into 5 will be how much? We'll get it here. 5 by 2 RT will get it. So for fourth option, what is matching? C is matching. Then remaining option pressure is nothing but what here? Option A, that's nothing but 1 by nm into V average square. This is how we solve these questions. So from past 9 years and 10 years we solve the questions. And one more question they asked here, kinetic energy equal to what? 3 by 2 kBT, right? So this is depends on what? Temperature. This question again they mentioned in where? Neet 18 also mentioned theoretical based questions. So if temperature increasing, no, internal energy will be increasing. That is a question which they asked us here. So this is that for today class. Thank you for everyone. For better performance, please go and watch first two theory videos from this chapter, then come back to solve these questions. You can understand very well. Thank you.